Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are fine. So today we'll see how to make Moringa leaves dal. Moringa leaves are one of the superfoods. Separate the leaves from the stem and keep in a bowl. Wash twice and keep aside. It has lot of health benefits. Take 1 glass of tur dal in a pressure cooker. Wash twice with filter water and add 2 glasses of water and cook for about 3 whistles. This is one of the easiest recipe which anyone can do. For tempering, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a kadai. Add 10 crushed garlic pods, 2 slit red chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, mustard and cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Add few curry leaves and fry well. Now add clean and washed moringa leaves and fry until the raw smell disappears. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. Fry for about 2 minutes. Now add the pre-cooked dal and mix well. Check salt, add if needed. That's all. Moringa leaves dal is ready to serve hot with steamed rice or pulkas or chapatis. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.